Hello viewers! I bet a lot of you guys have laser spirit levels, so let's focus on that for a bit. The F-clamp is also a big deal for every handyman. So how about we put them together and see what we can do. So the spirit level has 5/8 inches mounting thread, so we'll need a thread adapter for that one. I happened to find this little plastic bolt in a kid's construction set. So I've put an M6 anchor bolt into it. As you can see, it's just what we need, and we can actually start fixing our spirit level. I think that if you don't have any toys lying around, maybe you can use some of them wooden dolls. You just need to guess the diameter right. Right, the next thing we do is we put a hole in our F-clamp and fix it to the level. Right, you see we got ourselves a very simple and functional holder. You can definitely find a convenient place to put it, be it the door or a pipe of some sort. There are tons of paint tape videos on YouTube where people find a million different ways of using them. Recently I came across one very interesting solution. So you take a little piece of it and you kind of turn it into a little ball. I think it's super cool, don't you? I mean, all the things you can do with it. Right, jokes apart, this little ball is a brilliant fire accelerant. It burns well and stands the wind. Well, what more do you need? As one of my friends mentioned one time, the paint tape is something you should carry around at all times no matter what. So for this next mini DIY, we'll need 4 mini bars and 4 mini magnets. So we put 2 holes in each mini bar. After that, we put magnets in them. And so we get a nice vice supplement for those soft and delicate parts. Did you know that there's actually a way you could use those cable duct leftovers? So the first thing you do is you measure your cable duct. Then you get a knife and cut the ribs. Make a butt joint and glue the pieces together. You should come up with a little something like this. Now glue the second side, make a cap. And there you have it, a little case for little things. And now I'd like to show you the way you can extract the bearing from where it's buried. So you'll need one bolt of the right diameter and a little bit of plasticine. So you take that plasticine and you put it in a hole. Then you hammer down the bolt to kind of squeeze in the plasticine. As you can well observe, it's a very safe and convenient way of getting those hard to reach bearings. Alright, and so lastly I'll show you an easy way you can cut the pieces of rope if you don't have scissors or any other cutting elements at hand. So all you'll need to do is to stamp on the rope like this. You take one end, apply a bit of force, and here we go. The more length you use to cut it, the less you'll damage the rest of the rope. Alright, that's all for now. Stay tuned, check out these 2 videos, and I'll see you next time.